Good day, John. I'm so upset right now. I just found out that the business name I've been using for months has already been registered with CAC by someone else. Can you believe it? All my branding, all my hard work just gone.
Oh no, Lizzie. That's really tough. I'm so sorry to hear that. Did you try registering it earlier?
I didn't think it was a priority at the time. I thought as long as I was using it and building my reputation, it would be fine. But now, they're telling me that the legal owner is the one who registers it first with CAC. I feel so defeated.
Unfortunately, that's how it works. The Corporate Affairs Commission doesn't recognize who came up with the name or who started using it first. It's all about who officially registers it. I know it feels unfair, but this is a lesson for the future.
Lesson learned the hard way, I guess. Now I have to come up with a new name, and I don't even know where to start. It feels like I'm starting all over again.
I know it's frustrating, Lizzie, but don't let this stop you. You've built so much already, and your customers know the quality of your work. A new name won't change that. The key is to act fast and register it as soon as you decide on one. Don't delay this time.
You're right. I can't afford to sit around and sulk. I'll start brainstorming new names tonight. It's just so exhausting, you know.
I completely understand. You've put your heart into this, and it's okay to feel disappointed. But I believe in you, Lizzie. You'll come up with something even better, and when you do, it'll be yours legally and officially. Here's an idea: why not reach out to Isaac Dadu? He's an accredited CAC agent and can help you with the process. He'll make sure everything is done properly so you don't have to worry.
Isaac Dadu? I haven't heard of him.
Trust me, he's good. I've heard great things about his work. He'll help you in registering the new name quickly and stress-free. His contact number is 07037189966.
Thank you, John. I really needed to hear that. It means a lot that you took the time to listen.
What are friends for? I'll even help you brainstorm names if you need me to. You're not alone in this.
Thanks, John. You're the best.
Don't forget to tell me when your business is finally registered.
Deal. Thanks again, John. You've made me feel so much better.